Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is students blaming we are not in core profile. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes when students get selected by campus placement team and they are sent to their respective organizations, initially the organization never puts them directly in the core task for which they have been hired. Now organizations hire employees, the students of final year of any college during campus placement drive in different profile. Software developer, network engineer, database engineer, mechanical engineer, MBA people. There are so many profiles for which these companies hire students during campus placement drive. But when they actually start working in different organizations, initially the company will never give you the core task. For initial few months, company wants you to understand the corporate culture that it follows. What exactly happens in the organization? What type of organization it is? What are the products that the organization is manufacturing? What are the other streams, other domains in which the organization is operational? What is the overall corporate culture of the organization? Then you are given other trainings like building communication skills, team management, vendor management, facilities management, third party contractual management. Now these are different types of trainings in which you get yourself enrolled to understand that how exactly an organization is working. What is the basic working pattern of any organization for which you have been hired during campus placement drive? And a time comes when gradually the organization puts you in the core task for which you have been exactly hired by the organization during campus placement drive. After initially giving you little bit training about the corporate culture that the company follows, about the tools and technologies on which company actually works. Because ladies and gentlemen, even if we are working in our core profile, still there are many other things that we make use of while working in any organization. And if we do not know about those things, that how to use those things, we can't even work effectively in our core profile, because knowing those things is very crucial. That's why initially when an employee joins an organization, the company gives him training related to every type of thing that is happening inside the organization, all the tools and technologies that the organization is using. While being the part of these trainings, sometimes young graduates, young students feel that they are not working in core profile and they leave the organization. They leave the organization. They start thinking that they are not working in the core profile. The organization is not putting them in the core task for which they have been hired. Organization is teaching them something else. Organization is training them in something else. Students start feeling like this. And out of desperation, they leave the organization. They leave the organization and they also call back in their respective colleges, the respective training and placement team of their specific colleges, and they complain that, sir, we are not working in core profile. You said that the company will give us this and this task, but here something else is happening. The company is telling us something else. Company is making us familiar with the atmosphere of the corporate culture that they follow, but they are not putting us in the core domain for which we have been hired. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not at all possible that company puts you directly in the core domain for which you have been hired without telling you about the corporate culture that the company follows. Without telling you the corporate culture, without telling you the tools and technologies that the company is following, without telling you the information about the vendors and distributors of the organization with whom you have to work as long as you are the part of that particular organization. Without telling all these things, company cannot put you in the core specific task for which you have been hired during the campus placement drive. That's why I request all the freshers to be patient. Try to patiently analyze that how the organization is grooming you. Try to be the part of everything that the organization is teaching you, and try to be the part of corporate culture. Do not quit. Do not quit. It is just a desperate feeling of mind and nothing else. Unless organization tells you everything, you will never be put in the core profile. You are a fresher. Initially, you need to understand the corporate culture, and then you will be put in the core profile. So be very conscious about this and never leave the organization. This is very crucial. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MP, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.